Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, December 7, 2023. Yesterday was an ugly day for the markets. We had a bearish engulfing pattern taking place, and we're going to take a look at what has happened following that pattern. So I've selected all four instruments or setups based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we're trading right around yesterday's closing price. So from the opening filters, instead of picking a direction, since I have no idea which way we're going to open, I'm going to look at opening locations that are fairly close to the prior day's closing price. I'm going to say it cannot be any further than 25% of the 5-day ATR away from the prior closing price. So just for reference, the S&P 5-day ATR is around 40 points. So this would mean it would need to open somewhere within about 10 points or so of yesterday's close. Could be up or down for it to be applicable for today. Next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library and grab that candlestick pattern. And I'm going to grab it right there from the active today list. Then I'm going to put us in a similar market environment. We closed below a 10-day simple moving average, but above a 200-day simple moving average. So I've got both of those. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you have a bearish engulfing day, and then after that, you open close to the prior day closing price. And this is taking place below a 10 but above a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, 49 samples here in the S&P 54 in the NASDAQ, 38 in the Dow, 47 in the Russell. Win rates on these coming in favored for the S&P. It's the strongest of the group at 71%. The others are more neutral. We've got 54% for the NASDAQ, 55% for the Dow, 55% for the Russell. If you take a look at the average moves, very similar in size for the S&P. The NASDAQ has a larger average move to the downside. The Dow has a larger average move to the upside. Russell is pretty similar in size, so not much of an edge either way with the average moves. S&P is really the only one that has a strong win rate. The others are pretty neutral. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.